In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Confirm Email button in Aweber. Start by signing in to your Aweber account and going to the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, open the Quick menu. This menu helps you jump straight to the area you need without clicking through several pages. In the search field inside the Quick menu, type the word List. When you see the option for Managing Lists, select Manage Lists to open your list management area. Next, make sure you are working on the correct email list. Look for the Active List drop-down near the top of the page. Open that drop-down and choose the list you want to edit. This matters because each list can have its own confirmation email and button styling, so changes will only apply to the list you select here. Once your list is selected, go to List Options. In that menu, choose List Settings. This is where Aweber keeps the settings that control how your list behaves, including confirmation messages for new subscribers. Inside List Settings, find and click the Confirmation Message tab. This tab contains the content and design for the email people receive when they need to confirm their subscription. Take a moment to locate the Message Preview area, since that is where you can directly select elements to edit. Scroll down to the Message Preview and click the Confirmation button inside the preview. When you select it, editing options will appear on the right side in the Settings panel. Find the field labeled Button Label, then replace the existing text with the new wording you want. Keep your button label short and clear, since this is the main action you want subscribers to take. If you also want to adjust the design, use the same settings panel to change the button color or the font. Aim for good contrast so the text is easy to read and the button stands out. When you are satisfied with the label and styling, scroll down and click Save All Settings at the bottom. Give it a moment to save and you are done. That covers everything you need to know.